A trust, floated to promote cultural values and awareness on spirituality and health through our country's rich art forms.
Hello viewers, on behalf of Sai Sahana Cultural and Charitable Trust, I, Shakti Chandrasekhar, welcome you all to this interview session on the topic Cancer Awareness. We'll be having an interactive session with our guest for the day anchored by Sahana Sukumar, Harisai Ganesh, Kavya Raja and myself. Now I call upon Sahana to introduce our guest, Dr. Anita Ramesh.
A brief introduction about our guest, Dr. Anita Ramesh, one of the very sought after oncologists in Chennai. Dr. Anita Ramesh is a medical oncologist in Vadapalani, Chennai, and has an experience of 19 years in this field. Dr. Anita Ramesh practices at Patterson Cancer Center in Vadapalani, Chennai, and Apollo Specialty Hospital in Vanagaram, Chennai. She completed MBBS from National Medical College, Calcutta University in 1992, MD Radiotherapy from Banaras Hindu University in 1997, and DM Oncology from Dr. MGR Medical University in 2000. She is a member of International Society of Pediatric Oncology and a member of European Society of Medical Oncology. We have been associated with ma'am for a very long time during many of our cancer awareness programs. Hearty welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, so can you explain what is cancer, ma'am?
Okay. I wish all of you can hear me and see me.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So coming to the first question, a very good morning. Can I speak in English or Tamil?
Anything
Or
is
mix?
mix
Okay.
is
Now,
also
what is the audio? Mix is also fine, huh? Okay, little bit of Tamil we will include because it's an awareness program. It's for the general public, so the language has to be local also. So, a very good morning. Yes, one line about COVID: stay safe, stay at home. The second wave is dangerous. It's virulent. It's spreading fast. It's taking life. Okay, so that's the crisis, and more than cancer as of now. Okay, and so be safe, and that's one first word, and then that's how I start and end all meetings. Think about corona, talk about corona, and stay safe and meet the doctor at on time. Now coming to cancer, cancer is what? Is that it's an abnormal proliferation of cells. Okay, and these are, see what happens, one cell divides into two cells divides into 4, 10 cells divide into 20. But in cancer, there is abnormal, uncontrolled proliferation of the cells is called cancer or புற்றுநோய். இதுக்கு ஒரு செல்ல இருந்தே ரெண்டு வராதே, 10 வரும், 10ல இருந்தே thousands, crores and lakhs and number of cells develop. So இந்த growth के இந்த புற்றுநோய்க்கு growth के இது பேர் புற்றுநோய். இதுக்கு growth control கிடையாது, fast spread out. இனிஷியலா சின்ன ஒரு கட்டி, அப்புறம் ஸ்லோவா அந்த கட்டி சைஸ் கூட வரும், பக்கத்துல பரவியோ வலி வரும், ரத்தம் வரும், and ஸ்லோவா நாடி கட்டி, that means the lymph vessels it gets, and கடைசியா ரத்தம் உள்ள போயிட்டு whole body effect ஆகும். So இது பேர் கேன்சர். அதனால நமக்கு பயம் இருக்கு. சின்னதா ஸ்டேஜ் ஆரம்பிச்ச ஸ்டேஜ்ல இருந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கும், நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியுமா? கொஞ்சம் அட்வான்ஸ் ஸ்டேஜ்ல இருந்து இருக்கு, அப்புறம் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண கஷ்டம் இருக்கு. சரி, thank you.
So, doctor, how does cancer develop in the human body? What does cancer do to the body, doctor?
Yes, cancer எப்படி develop ஆகும் is that ஒரு 40% கேன்சரோட காரணம் தெரியும். We know the cause, that is suppose tobacco smoking, any form of tobacco, gutka, chutka, pan, parag, bidi, cigarette, and any smoke inhalation, cigar, இதெல்லாம் இருந்து இது புற்றுநோய் வரும் இந்த டொபாக்கோல இருந்து, that is tobacco related cancer. அதெல்லாம் இருந்து லிப்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டே வயிறு உள்ள தொண்டை லங்ஸ் வரைக்கும், even liver, bladder, urinary bladder, அது எல்லா கேன்சர் tobacco related. Even pancreas cancer also tobacco related. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 30 to 40% ಕಾರಣಂ tobacco. Another 5% is only hereditary, like Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie was not a cancer patient, but in the family lende nariya perke garvapai putrunoy and marbu putrunoy, breast cancer ovarian. It's called breast ovarian cancer syndrome. Idakke nariya families lende varo 5%, 5% only the incidence. Idakke now ki ovarian marbu putrunoy varo, daughter ke varo, sister ke varo, mother, grandmother, party, blood relation, first and second generation blood. So be careful about the cause. And if you have any family member who has a family history, please go for screening immediately. That is one. Next is, again, kolondike kannu cancer, retinoblastoma. So either cancer also hereditary, father, mother, anybody is having. So the child can have. Artha Vishaya is that lifestyle related, like nariya alcohol drinks panite irke, nariya fatty food, fast food, junk food, pizza, burger, Pepsi, and the madari drinks, fried food, bhaji. So these are all bad foods to eat. High cholesterol varo, adake obesity varo, adalande not only cancer, hypertension, diabetes, chakravadi, blood pressure, heart problem, cerebral hemorrhage, nariya prachana varo. Okay, so next is virus lende cancer varo, or virus like HIV virus, hepatic, that is the next is hepatitis B virus, human papilloma virus in the virus mulima cancer varo. Next, apart from tobacco, asbestos lende cancer varo, aniline dye lende urinary bladder cancer varo. So either basic karanam and lifestyle like sexual habits. When they, if you get the sexual infections, adake cervical, garupai naak bulle or putrunoy varo, cervical cancer. So these are different types of cancer, but there is around 30 to 40% or even more than that adake karanam theriyile. So that there's a huge chunk of cancer where we do not know the cause of cancer. So cause not known. Yes, next question, please. Yes, please tell me. Next question.
What are the causes of cancer?
This I told you the causes of cancer. Environment related, habit related, virus related, sexual related, hereditary. Rest is unknown.
What are the different types of cancer, doctor?
Okay, different types of cancer is the mainly two types of cancer. One is raktam putrunoy, blood cancer by leukemias, lymphoma, myeloma, all those things. Other is solid cancer like lung cancer, breast cancer, kidney cancer, liver cancer, uterine cancer, other solid tumor. Kuncha difference irke. Okay, treatment ke difference irke, and then approach also is little different. These are, but if you say one word, 100 types of cancer, no. But main heading, blood cancer and solid tumor. Yes, please.
Shakti, you haven't unmuted.
Doctor, can cancer affect a person twice?
Yes, yeah, the same cancer can come back. If it comes back within 5 years, it is called relapse. Thiruppi vanduche, that same cancer. 5 varsham mela vanduche, some very rarely adhe cancer or pudu cancer varum. Same cancer second time or pudu place lende cancer varum. Like you have breast cancer now, you can get a brain tumor later on after 10 years. So nariya perke na paathutte treat panniyache double cancer the pair. Over time double cancer setu varum. Different cancer, over time ke double cancer, one cancer muchute treatment after pudusa at the cancer war. Yes, it can happen.
So which age groups are more vulnerable to cancer?
Yeah, see, cancer can affect anybody at any age, at any point of time. Even the retinoblastoma, the kannu or a cancer, even at 4 weeks of age, first 1 month you get. Okay, you will get the eye cancer. Okay, so children will have leukemias, blood cancer, lymphoma, brain tumor, germ cell tumor, many cancers. Okay, 1 to 2% of the general cancer patient is pediatric cancer. Plus, middle age also cancer. நமக்கு நிறைய பேர் இப்போ கம்மி வயசுல இருந்து cancer affected ஆச்சு. Even old age, even at age of like 90, 80, 90, you get prostate cancer in men, you will get multiple myeloma in men. Okay, so cancer can occur at any age. All age is vulnerable for having cancer at any point of time, any part of the body.
Ma'am, so how is cancer diagnosed and what are the methods to diagnose cancer?
How cancer is diagnosed, usually it is you first of all you have to do screening. Suppose you have a lot of bleeding from mouth, wide and the nose and the ear and the vomit time, irumal time, rattam vandachi, motion and the rattam vandachi, urine and the any bleeding from an even garvapai, sometime beyond menstrual period, if you have excess bleeding, please meet the doctor. Adakku konja sandhavam irukke, maybe putruva. At the whole body lende anywhere any katti, neck lende vanduchu, vayal ulle vanduchu, whole body lende breast ulle vanduchu, any swelling, katti, sandhavam, meet the doctor. Apart from there, for COVID time nariya perku irumal varum, but in the COVID poyirku irumal korayum, but some people will have chronic cough 3 weeks continue aite irke, mooch kashtam. Many people during COVID they did the scan, but we picked up lung cancer. Kaachal, long time, more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks fever, think of blood cancer. So some of these and like excessive vomiting, excessive bleeding, vomiting, fever, swelling in any part, cough, okay, all these are suggestive of any cancer in some part of the body. Okay. So how it is diagnosed? Once you meet the doctor, we need to do the scan of that particular site. Suppose if you think you are CT scan neck and chest. Then we need to cut and do a biopsy, a small biopsy. Okay, so until and unless you do the biopsy, you will not know. Sometimes TB or tuberculosis. So other treatment madri. Sometimes putrunoy or biopsy paniyachi appo namakku correct theriyo enna madri putrunoy irukku. And extra scan neck, chest, abdomen paakate inge parviyachu. Along with that, ella patient ke nama blood test pananum. We have to do kidney function, kidney epri irke, liver function, liver epri irke, cholesterol epri irke, electrolytes epri irke, sometimes ECG ekko, heart epri irke paakate. So whole body paathate, plus nama parallelly inge evlo dooram cancer parviyachu, that is spread with the CT scan, and also sada edthate paathate nama biopsy, what is the type of cancer, then only we can progress.
Can we go to the next question, doctor?
Yes, yes, why not?
What are the early signs and symptoms of cancer?
That's what I told you. Bleeding from any side, nose, mouth, ear, vomit, cough, urine, motion, and even vaginal bleed. Fever, long duration of fever, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, not subsiding with any antibiotic, test negative, think about cancer. Next is any katti. Whole body ulle katti vanduchu, breast marva putrunoy, marva ulle katti vanduchu. Next is any loss of weight, more than 10 kg loss in less than 6 months is an indication. Okay, you have cancer. Irumal, continuous, you are having breathing difficulty, cough vandate irke. So these are some of the signs. Weight loss is well, loss of appetite, loss of weight, sudden weight korundichu 10 kg mala 6 maasam nadule. So again inge konjo better we have to be very very careful. These are some of the signs and symptoms of cancer, early suspicion of cancer. Yes, please.
Ma'am, are cancer curable when detected at early stage?
Yes, stage 1, stage 2, and you can stage 3 also is curable. Yes, monomyeloma, corrected treatment pota, surgery, medical chemotherapy and radiation pota, they are leading a normal life. Last stage, that is stage 4, parviyachi appo vanduchu, appo yaru onnu panna mudiyade. We can treat to improve, to increase the lifespan, that is called palliative care, symptomatic supportive care.
Doctor, are cancers preventable? And if yes, how can we prevent it?
Cancer is preventable, yes. One is that you have to go for screening. Sometimes people who get the oral cavity cancer, you need to do oral cavity examination. Those who are heavy smokers, just low dose CT scan pannano, screening ke, marva putrunoi ke, pap smear from the age of 25, mammogram from the age of 40, and those who have sexual age, every 3 years pap smear pannano. So oral cavity examination, low dose CT scan of the test, stool test for colon cancer, pap smear for cervical cancer, and self breast examination, and mammogram for breast cancer, and PSA for prostate cancer. This are cancer mattum nama screen panna mudiyuma. Meedi cancer screen panna mudiyadhu. So with screening, we can pick it up at an early stage. Okay, so rest of the thing, lead a healthy life. Don't smoke, don't drink. Okay, and sapad time, ennai kami, karam kami, uppu kami, chakra kami, samail, lot of fruits, lots of vegetables, do 20 minutes exercise every day, and eat lot of immunoboosters like those turmeric, labang, clove, turmeric, ginger. Those are, like many other things are there which helps to boost the immunity. So these are some of the ways where you can prevent. Okay, but then again, screen pannano. If you're screening, you can pick up the cancer at an early stage. Please meet the doctor. It is curable.
Doctor, can cancer survivors donate organs?
Yes, survivor means you are free of the cancer at any point. Yes, you can donate. If it is after 5 years, cancer proven, you have no other cancer left in the body, yes, we can donate.
Ma'am, you mentioned that many children get affected by cancer these days. So why do children get affected by cancer?
Cause not known. I told you only 5% has hereditary, that's retinoblastoma, 5 to maximum 10%, rest 90% cause not known. Because see, they don't have exposure, they don't have lifestyle, nothing is there. They're just born, few years. Environmental pollution will take time. For tobacco-related cancers, you take more than 10 years for that cancer to develop. So even if they're exposed to smoke, but then it is cause not known. Sorry, my screen went back. So most of it is cause not known. Okay.
Ma'am, is
Yeah,
cancer genetic?
Yeah, I told you, 5 to 10% of it is genetic, like breast ovarian cancer. Then you have the this cancer, retinoblastoma, colon cancer sometimes runs in family. But if you have 100 cancer patients, 5 to 10 will be family history.
Doctor, can harsh chemicals and pollutants cause cancer?
Yes, chemicals like I told you, aniline dye, those who work in factories which make the aniline dye, they get urinary bladder cancer. Next is asbestos. If you inhale asbestos, you get mesothelioma and lung problem. Yes, some dyes and some chemicals are carcinogenous. Yes, they will come. But not all pollutants, but yes, some pollutants too.
Ma'am, so do we get cancer from what we eat? What type of food can the cancer patients intake to prevent cancer?
Yeah, or one word, good habits, all green leafy vegetables you should take at least 7 colorful. All fruits you should take 7 colorful fruits per day. So less of oil, less of sugar, less of salt, less of spices, because salt and all will put a hypertension, sugar will give you diabetes, spices can do constipation and colon cancer. So be very careful. It has to be monitored, and that's healthy living. Lot of vegetables, dal, pulses, less of rice, less of sugar. Carbohydrate, yes, you take, but smaller quantity. Okay, do exercise, yoga. I tell all my patients to do breathing exercises, and also take a lot of immunoboosters. Immunoboosters, like it is, you take haldi, that is turmeric, inji, ginger, clove, dalchini. So many Indian spices are there. Actually, every day I take tea. Okay, that there is no sugar. We add jaggery. We put turmeric, haldi, ginger, clove, dalchini, and 4 or 5 ingredients. And 2 times I will take the tea, one in the morning, and particularly they are very helpful during the COVID times.
Doctor, how were cancer patients treated?
Cancer patients, once it cannot be treated in small chambers, you have to come to the hospital, appo scan pannano, diagnosis panniyachu already, ipdi diagnose pannano sollite iruken. Okay, then we pay some early stage cancer needs surgery. Okay, delayed stage, we need to bring the size of the tumor, size appo nama operation pannano. Definitely chemotherapy, most of the tumors will need, and radiation pannano. So, cancer, chemotherapy, operation, surgery, and radiation is the mukyama, the more mukyama. In the mela, namakku pudu treatment vanduchu, immunotherapy, nariya research irukke, nariya targeted drugs irukke, epo nadandittu.
Doctor, are non-vegetarians more cancer risk?
Because chicken is not cancerous, but mutton is cancerous. Mutton is cancerous. Mutton is cancerous. Mutton causes cancer.
Ma'am, can we go to the next question?
Yes, you can.
Does the regular practice of yoga and physical exercise prevent a person from cancer?
Yes. Yes, that's what I told you, yoga, that not only brings in more circulation to the organs of the body, including the lungs, pranayama, I tell everybody to do, all breathe in and breathe out, that increase the aeration. Yes, yoga helps. Yoga is something, practice all of them, that keeps you healthy. In a short time, you can keep 10-15 minutes for yoga every day.
Ma'am, cancer is curable. Which cancer is curable? Ma'am? Which type?
Yeah, some of the cancers have very high percentage of cure, like Hodgkin's lymphoma. That is, you get blood cancer. Then for girls and boys, the testicular tumor, ovarian germ cell tumors, they are highly curable. Choriocarcinoma in women, Hodgkin's lymphoma, their cure rate in first 2 stages and all is more than 90%. These are highly curable. Other tumors are there. Even breast cancer is also curable, 70-80, depending upon the stage you are coming. But the 6, 7, 8 cancers, which I mentioned, has high cure rate. Pediatric brain tumors.
So, doctor, what are the different stages of cancer, which is highly alarming?
What are the stages of cancer? Okay, alarming is stage 4. That means when it's spread to the liver, you get jaundice, manchakamala varo, sometimes brain lende parviyo, you get fits, unconsciousness, some lungs vulle poro, mooch kashtam varo, rattam varo, vayal vulle irumal varo. Okay, then you need to get admitted. Sometimes bones, spine lende varo, bones lende, long bones lende vanduche fracture aayidum. Pinadi the spinal bones lende vanduche, and the time spinal compression varo. Spinal compression on the madri varo.
So can blood test detect cancer?
Yeah, blood test will detect blood cancer, definitely. Rattam puttunai, leukemias, myelomas, late advanced lymphomas under the blood test, and then out. Whereas the blood test, this is diagnosis. Solid tumors, sometimes hemoglobin kami varo, platelet kami varo. So yes, it gives a clue that you're dealing with cancer, but rattam puttunai, you can immediately give a diagnosis. Means at least you can say it's a blood cancer.
So, doctor, is it impossible to cure cancer when detected at 3rd or 4th stage?
No, 3rd stage, yes, 50% is curable. 40 to 50% nama pannavom. Gunumai aidoma, correct treatment pota. But it is the cancer which is spread everywhere. 4th stage, adha kashtam. There we can prolong life. Gunumai panna mudiyadhu, cure panna mudiyadhu.
Ma'am, is cancer risk with age?
Cancer?
Is cancer risk with age?
Yes, you can say if the age increases, yes, we do get cancer. Yes, it is. Okay. As more and more ages come, yeah, but now also we are getting lots of cases with the young diagnosis of cancer. 25, 30 college students are also getting cancer.
Doctor, is cancer screening advisable during the pandemic?
No, nowadays screening is stopped because you may get the COVID and you may die before the cancer kills you. Okay, so no, not for now, until and unless you are symptomatic. Not routine patient screening. Suppose நீங்க நல்லதா இருக்கு சும்மா வந்துட்டு screen பண்ண வேணாம், master checkup இப்போ வேணாம், அது approve பண்ணணும். But suppose மூச்சு கஷ்டம் இருக்கே, jaundice இருக்கே, bleeding இருக்கே, கட்டி இருக்கே, அதை immediately you have to come to hospital.
Doctor, are cancer patients most likely to get affected by COVID?
Yeah, anybody immunocompromised, the diabetes, blood sugar uncontrolled, BP irke, dialysis length irke, kidney dialysis, cancer treatment nadandittu irke, body full immunity kammi irke, virus setu fight pannathe kashtam irke. So yes, the chance of getting the infection is also high.
Doctor, what is the effect of COVID-19 on cancer patients?
COVID-19 means if your immunity coming, suppose cancer control in the liye, and those then there is a high chance the COVID virus will affect the lungs. Severity kuda varo, they go to ICU, they need oxygen, condition deteriorate out. And if your lung condition is bad, particularly lung cancer and COVID, very fast you deteriorate down. So it is a fast track on cancer because your immunity is low, plus if it is lungs are already involved, kashtam irke. To recover it is kashtam.
Are oral cancer therapies safe during the current situation?
Yeah, you have no choice. If an advanced cancer, we like to tailor. The patient, sometimes we just put them on radiation. Anyhow, surgeries have stopped in the hospital. We don't operate. And the badale nama current kudukuno, radiation and chemotherapy kudukuno, radiation lesser fraction. So you don't need to come to hospital regularly. Chemotherapy alter panite kudukuno. Paathate pananum. Nariya per vara mudiyadhe lockdown vanduche. Okay, so nariya per aaliliye vidikella COVID positive. So nariya prachana irukku. Yes, definitely treatment is not safe. Treatment get delayed. Nariya perku cancer kuda varum parviyo and they come back late. Okay, so yes, lot of problem for cancer patients now.
Ma'am, so are there any special measures which the cancer survivors or cancer patients should take up to prevent COVID?
No, taniya andha madiri kadiyadema. Okay, not there, but general precautions holds good. Wear masks continuously because maintain social distance, hand washing, sanitizer, follow COVID protocol and follow the guidelines of the state and the central government. Yes, now what we say, it is airborne, so please wear masks even at home.
One final question, ma'am. Can cancer patients or cancer survivors get vaccinated? And if they get vaccinated, yes, will there be any adverse effects?
Yeah, all cancer survivors can get vaccinated at any point of time, and except 3 days before or 3 days after their chemotherapy or radiation or surgery, give a gap plus or minus 3. But those who are on blood cancer treatment, acute myeloid leukemia, those who are on bone marrow transplant patients, that we have to wait for some more time, because even if you give the vaccine, the antibodies do not develop. So these two are not to be given. Rest, yes, give it, provided you don't have the other contraindications like anaphylaxis, pregnancy, lactation, please give it.
Thank you so much for taking your time and answering all our questions patiently, ma'am. It's indeed our pleasure.
Thank you, Sahana. Thank you, entire team of your foundation. We would be happy to work with you in future. Thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
We also would like to thank our parents, Mr. Sukumar, Mrs. Indra Sukumar, Mr. Chandrasekhar, Mrs. Vanita Chandrasekhar, Mr. Raja and Mrs. Sujata Raja for their constant support in drafting this interview and supporting us to contact you in person and make this interview possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks to the entire parents because we need their support. Thanks to all the kids, or what I say, adolescents getting into adolescence. Thanks a lot. And it's a big awareness that you thought that this is the need of the day. Okay, and please post the videos recording to YouTube channel so that it becomes more this thing, and I'm happy to answer questions beyond the Zoom also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.